friend, we are going to learn about the French Revolution. Before this, we have to know about that what is the revolution. Revolution means radical and complete changes in the life of people in the field of economic, social and educational. In the half of the 18th century, there were three revolutions took place in the world. First is the Industrial Revolution, second is the American War of Independence, and third one is the French Revolution. First, such as the Industrial Revolution means in the beginning of the 18th century, Industrial Revolution took place first in the England and then it spread all over Europe. It means machines were used in the factories. The result was of these mass productions. Second one, the American War of Independence. In 1776, 13 colonies of America came together and revolted against England. They won the War of America and formed the Democratic Republic of America. Then, what is the French Revolution? Then, we are going to introduce the chapter, the French Revolution of 9th Standard CBSE in short. What happened in France? King's order in the 14th July 1789, on the morning, the city of Paris was in the state of disturbance. The king had ordered the army to go into the city and open fire upon the citizens. Some 7,000 people gathered in front of the town hall. They decided to form People's Army. They entered forcefully a number of government buildings in search of weapons and attacked violently the fortified prison. Some groups of several hundreds people towards the eastern part of the city and attacked violently the fortified prison. The purpose of that was to acquire hoarded ammunitions. The prison was demolished. The commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released. There were only 7 of them. The Bastille was a symbol of injustice, tyranny and despotic rule of the king. The prison was demolished and the broken parts of its stone were sold in the market to those who wished to keep a mementos of its destructions. The following days saw the riots both in Paris and the rural areas. The most people were protesting against the high prices of the bread. Ultimately led to the death of the king. The historian glance at that time, they saw it as is regarded as a great landmark in the history of the world. We are going to discuss this chapter one by one in details in series of videos. Thank you.